Here for our test we are mixing oil and water. Cut a single layer of filter to your required size. You must soak the filter in water before use. Here we are testing the filter. As you can see, water passes through the filter, but the oil is trapped. If you are using a scooper, it's easier to soak the filter in water after loading and clipping it into the scooper. Now you can start to scoop out the oil. After removing, store the oil separately for disposal or reuse. Again, water will pass through the filter with gravity, but the oil will remain. To clean the filter, shake it in water and the oil will rinse off. When finished, remove the filter for disposal or dry it for reuse.